welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to do an open box review on this amazing Leopard 2AE6 1/16 scale 2.4 GHz RC battle tank. It's got so many great features as you will see, so stick around and you will find out how cool and realistic this scale RC tank really is. From outside the box, it appears to show many of the specs of this tank. Okay, let's get it open. Looks like it's got some accessories. Let's check them out later what those are. These must be the manual and other document. This looks like a target sheet for practice along with some decal stickers. Wow, I am impressed. It looks to be highly detailed. Check out the tank and all the accessories. This is the remote, but it does not have the controller stick installed. Here it is. I will install it later. The tank itself out from the box seems to lack a lot of detail attachment as you can see, and I will have to attach all the accessories one by one. Just by the looks of all the metal tracks is already impressive and I can't wait to get it running. I will show some of the accessories installation and then reveal the final detailed tank after. For the accessories installation, I use hot glue to fit these tiny detail parts so that it does not come off. If you don't, I believe it's going to come loose and fall apart later. Now the tank appears to look highly detailed as more parts are installed. Wow, finally all the parts are installed along with the decal stickers. I also mounted some soldiers on top of the tank and this really adds some realistic detail and the scale of this Leopard tank. Okay, let's fire up the tank for the first time and see how this tank sound. Oh wow. I think the sound is realistic and the smoke just make everything about this tank come to life. This is the upgraded customized version of the Heng 1/16 Leopard 2AE6 RC tank with so many features such as all metal tracks, sprocket wheels, idler wheels, full metal road wheels and full metal gearbox. There are also independent shock springs for the tracks. It has an infrared combating system that can support many players in a tank battle combat without radio interference. It features a 6mm shooting BB pellets with cool hull recoil action and firing sound effect with a range of 20-meter shooting range. It also features 360 degrees limitless torrent rotation, 30-degree control barrel up and down movement. It's got a 7.0 mainboard that provides two kinds of sound option. It's got emulation tank LED lights as well. There is an idle smoke effects and when the tank runs fast the smoke will gradually come out more. The tank runs on a 7.4 volt 1800 milliamp LiPo battery and the charger is included. Now let's go over some history about the Leopard 2AE6 battle tank. The Leopard 2AE6 main battle tank is an improvement development of the 2AE5. It was greatly improved over its predecessor and currently it is one of the best main battle tanks in the world. The Leopard 2AE6 and its variants are currently in services with Germany, Canada, Finland, Greece, Portugal and Spain. The Leopard 2AE6 is protected by composite armor of new generation and has external modular armor. Furthermore, add-on armor, including explosive reactive armor blocks, can be fitted. The interior of the tank is also lined to prevent spalling. The Leopard 2AE6 tank is armed with the Rheinmetall 120mm L55 smoothbore gun, which is longer version of the L44 used on the Leopard 2AE5. It has better fire accuracy and longer range, comparing with the 2AE5 tank. It is worth mentioning that the L55 gun can be fitted on any Leopard 2 MBT without any significant changes. This gun is loaded manually and is compatible with standard NATO ammunition. The longer barrel allows ammunition to attain higher velocities. A total of 42 rounds are carried and 15 of them are ready to use, while the rest are stored in front of the hull. The Leopard 2AE6 has a hunter-killer engagement capability. The commander uses a panoramic sight to search for targets. Once the target is selected, the gun is laid on the target automatically and the gunner completes the aiming and firing process. During that time, the commander can search for the next target. Such engagement method allows to acquire and engage targets much faster. I hope you enjoyed the review of this incredible Leopard 2AE6 1/16 RC battle tank, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel as I have many videos like it and much more to come. Also, if you are interested in this RC tank, you can find the link down below the description to this product. Here are some extra footages, please enjoy.